Welcome to our class, children. Today's topic is Heron's formula from 9th standard. Types of triangle. Based on side, we have three. First one is scale-in triangle. All the three sides will be different measurement. Second one is isosceles triangle. Two sides it will be same measurement. Third side will be different measurement. Third one, equilateral triangle. All the three sides will be same measurement. And based on angles, we have first one, right angle triangle. That means one angle will be 90 degree. Second one is equal angular triangle. That means all the three angles will be equal measurement. Third one is acute angle triangle. Means all the three angles will be different measurement. Then it will be less than 90 degree. Obtuse angle triangle. That means one angle will be more than 90 degree. Of equilateral triangle, formula is square root of 3 by 4 a square. Here a is side because all the three sides are equal in equilateral triangle. Rest of all the triangle formula is half into base into height. In right angle triangle, we have one angle is 90 degree. So here BC is base, AB is height. So how we'll find the area of this right angle triangle? This is called area. What I shaded, this is called area. So half into base into height. This is the formula to find. But Heron has found the formula for all the types of triangle is square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Here s is semi-perimeter of the triangle and A, B, C all the three sides of measurement. So semi-perimeter means A plus B plus C divided by 2. First question is a traffic signal board indicating school head is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. If it is perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signal board be? The signal board will be an equilateral triangle like this. All the three sides will be A. So, if they give the perimeter for 180, what is the side of A? So, 180 equal to 3A because A plus A plus A is 3A. We want only A side. So, 180 divided by 3 is 60 centimeter. So, one side will be 60 centimeter. Traffic signal board is an equilateral triangle. That means all the three sides will be A. Okay. So, side of the signal board is A. Perimeter of the board is 180. Perimeter means adding all the three sides. So, 3A equal to 180. A equal to 180 divided by 3 equal 60 centimeter. Then S value. S is semi-perimeter. So here the perimeter they given 180. Semi-perimeter means 180 divided by 2 equal to 90 centimeter. By Heron's formula, the area of triangle equal to square root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus C. We have here S is 90 centimeter. Then S minus A is 90 minus 60. Again S minus B also here because all the three sides are equal. A, B, C all it is A only. A is now 60 centimeter. That's how all the three also 90 minus 60. 90 minus 60. So here square root of 90. 90 minus 60 is 30. 90 minus 60 is again 30. 90 minus 60, one more 30. Inside the square root, any number if 2 times if it is up here, 1 time we can take outside. So in this 230 is there, I'll take 1 time 30 is outside. Now this 90 also we can write 30 into 3 because 3 0 0 3 3s are 9. So this here we have one more 30. So this 30 and this 30 one more time we can take 30 2 times is there. That's why 1 time we can take outside. Already we have square root of 3. So 30 into 30. 0 into 0. Double 0 we can write directly. 3 3s are 9. Square root of 3 we have. So we have here 3 times. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time we have centimeter. So your centimeter cube. The unit also you should write like this. The second question is, the triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisement like this. This is the flyover. So they have used this much area for advertisement. This is like triangle. This triangle size they given. The sides of the walls are 122 meter and 22 meter and 120 meter. The advertisement held on hearing of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. Per year means it is for 12 months. A company hired one of its walls for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? Now, the sides of the triangle is like this. A, B, C. So, A measurement is 122 meter and B is 120 meter, C is 22 meters. We have to find the area of this by Heron's formula. So, the sides are A equal to 122 meter, B side is 22 meter and C side is 120 meter. We can change any A, B, C, no problem in that. So we are going to find first semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter, the formula is A plus B plus C divided by 2. So we have here 122 plus 22 plus 120 divided by 2. All if we add 2 plus 2 plus 0, we have 4 and 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. And here 1 plus 1 is there in 100 place, so it is 2. So total we have here 264 is perimeter. So S if we want divided by 2 because it is semi-perimeter. So 264 divided by 2 is 132 meter. We have now S value. So now we have to find of triangle by Heron's square root of S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. S value we got 132. So 132 is S and 132 minus. What is the A value we had? 122 meter. Meter no need. Last we'll write. Then S value here 132 minus B value we have 22 meter. And 132 minus C value we have 120. So we have here square root of, here we have S value is 132. 132 minus 122 is 10. Here we have 132 minus 22 is 110. Here 132 minus 120 is 12. Square root of this both will multiply. 132 into 10, 1320 it will become. Into 0 you write as it is. 11 into 12 is 132. So any number 2 times if it is there inside the square root, we can take and write only one time out. So it is 1320 meter square. This is what our area of triangle. Now they given in the question. Now they given rent per month for 1 meter square is rupees 5000 rupees. So we have to calculate like this for 3 months. What is the rent we are giving? So rent for 1 meter square per year is rupees 5000. Now we have to calculate per month. So 5000 divided by 12. Same rent per 3 months. This is for 1 month. 3 months means 3 into 5000 divided by 12. So here 1 3s are 3, 4 3s are 12, and 4 1s are 4. Here also 1 4s are 4, remaining 1. 10 we have, 2 4s are 8, remaining 2. 5 4s are 20 and 0. So rent for 1 meter square per 3 month equal to rupees 1250. Same like that we have to calculate for area. We have 1320 meter square. So rent for 1320 meter square means we have to multiply with 1320 into our cost of 3 month, that is 1250. So now 00 write as it is. Now multiply this 132 into 125. When we multiply 16500 we are getting. So write it here 16500. Already this 00 we written here. So it is 6. The company to pay rupees 16,50,000.